Hey there traders, Michael here again from Elite Traders University. Hey, I'm just going over my trade of the week, and maybe as you can guess, it's on pound dollar. Now we had a massive sell-off on the pound dollar as the US dollar strengthened, the stock market crashed for the first few days of the week, and we had a bit of a retracement, and then I was expecting a continuation. And so as London opened, I actually believe that we were actually going to stall in this area here, and I was looking for a short, and so I entered a number of positions short and ended up taking my last position for plus 220 and a number of positions early at plus 16, plus 17 pips. Now those early positions allowed me to get into a break-even trade, were actually a very profitable trade, and because I believe my timing was correct, I could actually leave this last position to run. And I noticed that we had actually broken a larger pattern, and if you actually see here, we had a huge breakdown of this trend line going back for a couple of months, and that's what really caused, well, that was the initial breakthrough. And then we had a lot of weakness again coming to the stock market yesterday, and so there was a lot of concern, and the pound was sold off nicely. So we got in perfect timing right at the top again. We sold almost the exact high of the day, and we bought back almost the exact low, and then I bought some long positions up here for plus 17 pips. So overall for the day, as you can see, we're up a number of positions, including the 228, so plus 300 pips easy for the day, a lot more actually. So 260, 70, 80, 90, 100, about 360, 370 pips, I think. So an amazing day, and this is what we teach you to do with the London Bankers strategy. We teach you to trade with the banks. The banks know where the market's going. They're the ones who control the market, and so if you know where they're entering their positions and what direction they're trading in, then you can actually trade along with them as well. And so from this setup, based on a number of different conditions and different time frames, realized that the banks were going to take the market short, and we were able to get precision timing up in this zone here. Okay, so if you're interested in learning about this, please click the link below, contact me. I'd love to talk with you about your trading journey and how we can help you at Elite Traders University to take your trading to the next level and to learn to trade consistently. And every day in the market says opportunities, and so if you want to be consistent, get in touch with us and find out how we can help you in progressing in your trading journey. Okay guys, have an amazing weekend, and I'll catch you again next week.